Hi guys, and welcome back. I'm together with my friend ALAMI from Honda service by ASKO Group, and we're preparing to make the first service for the Honda SH125 mode here at ASKO Group. Stick around because I don't have to say big words, but you saw on my previous videos the service here at ASKO, it's total at a different level, and I'm really blessed and I'm really grateful that ALAMI was very open and transparent and allow us to film the maintenance procedures for my bikes. Stick around. It's time for the revision, the first revision for the Honda SH125 mode. We have already 1000 kilometers done with the bike, so it's time for the oil change, and we're gonna give you some tips and tricks regarding this apparently simple procedure. As a small tip, you can see here the oil drain. If you leave it on the center stand, it will be very difficult for the oil to drop exactly on the plate, so we recommend that you put it on the side stand. And now you can check it out. When we have the bike on the side stand, it is the lowest position for the oil to be drained. We have a 17 key. This is the oil strainer, what we're open it. This replaces the so-called oil filter. Culoarea cum ți se pare?
Foarte ok. Deci ai bușonul, care vezi aici, ai arcul care ține strainerul și ai strainerul, okay. Deci nu mai ai filtrul de ulei.
Da, dar e strainer cum a fost și în alte
strainer care trebuie curățat, da?
Da.
Bun.
We have the spring, we have the bolt, and we have the strainer, which needs to be cleaned each time you're making the oil change. The strainer position, it's on the left side.
După ce verificăm să nu fie pilitura, e curat, da? Să nu
We've checked it visually first, not to have some metal parts destroyed inside. Now we clean it.
Interior și exterior.
On the inside and also on the outside.
Curățăm arcul.
We clean also the spring. And of course the cap, the bolt cap. Also we're gonna change the ring, the rubber ring from the bolt cap. Each time we're making this revision, we replace the rubber. And now it's time to drain the oil. Let's check it out. Nimic.
Da, pentru că a curs pe la filtru, știi?
Everything drained from the left side. No, there is nothing more. This we're gonna replace it. We put a new one, the washer. And first time when you drain the oil, should be drained from the left side, and then you can open the drain bolt from the middle. This one, it's a 12 millimeter. On the side we have a 17 millimeter. These are the keys which we're working with. Please take your time and leave it as much as possible in order to get rid of the old used oil. Each drop it's important. You can see now even more it's coming, as you can see as we speak. After a few drops more it's coming, so take your time and leave the old oil to drain properly. We have a 20 Newton meter. This is the torque.
Știi care e faza? Nimeni nu s-a născut învățat, dar asta înseamnă, nu înseamnă să nu verifici.
Da.
Poți să bagi cu mâna să fii sigur că e pe filet, știi? Care e pusă la 20 și dai până auzi primul click. Iată, deci ai auzit click-ul, te-ai oprit. Nu mai dai, îl auzi.
Once you hear the first click with the dyno key, you'll stop and that's it.
Nu, va trimite printr-un SMS.
We're gonna use, of course, the Honda Genuine Oil 10W30. Here is the place where we're gonna put the oil. For the oil bolt, it's 24 Newton meters. We have 20 Newton meters for the side bolt and 24 Newton meters for the bolt, for the oil bolt.
Și asta are 1 litru. Cât aici?
Puțin peste 200, da. Da. We just placed 0.8 liters. This is the amount which we're gonna use for the oil change. 0.8 liters.
După ce pornim, verificăm nivelul.
After we start the engine, we check the oil level. So to reset the oil change display logo, you need to open it and keep in the same time the right button, the set button, and the ignition button in the same time, and you can check out the oil change display has disappeared. We have to leave it for 30 seconds to run in the upright position, not on the center stand or the main stand. We stop it and we wait about 2 minutes and then we check the oil level. If you leave the center stand and then read the oil level, then the bike will stay in the upright position and the oil reading will not be properly correct. So you need to put the bike in this position, in a straight position, and then make the readings.
Tot timpul joja, neînfiletată.
All the time you leave the cap for the oil, this part untied, unscrewed. You leave it just as it is, and then you read. You clean it, and then you make the readings. Put it inside and make the readings.
E cam pe la jumătate.
And it's about the half, which is the maximum level. Now we have now we have the oil indicator at half, at 0 oil, and we need to add just a little bit because a few drops, not much, because we've drained the oil properly, which means these small drops will be somehow added afterwards. And this was the revision for the Honda SH125 mode. I can highly recommend if you have any maintenance issues, any maintenance schedules to do for Honda or for other bikes and you are located near Bucharest. Honda by ASKO service, I think among the best solutions for you. Just check it out. Check out also my previous videos regarding the maintenance which I did here. Until next time, bye bye.